So this is the original Sherry power slider. To replace the centerpiece, what you'll need to do is to pull the plastic channel off the top like that, and then remove the, well, I guess right now because you're replacing the centerpiece, you won't have a centerpiece. The one that we have, the right side is broken. So this is the plastic piece that you have to remove from the top, which is right here. Pull it out, and once you pull that out, then you can insert the centerpiece that you order from us. So now to put in the glass, you put it into the top first,
and go into the track,
and then the bottom sits on the track. Make sure you push it down to the track,
and then slide this molding back in the
and
channel.
then slide the plastic channel back.
It's too tight, put some WD-40.
Okay, so if it's too tight, then spray some WD-40,
That's it.
and then that's pretty much it. It's very easy. So there's something about the cable that you don't want people to do.
Do not touch the cable.
Oh, do not touch the regulator cable on the bottom. Okay, just make sure, like earlier, push the glass in from the top and then sits on, and then the bottom, and the glass should sit on the track. Okay, but do not cut, do not do anything to the regulator cable on the bottom that's really on your truck. So that's it.